Modern Family to my TV because it's unique.
You're watching Modern Family?
Yes.
Sino yung character doon?
What's my name?
You're Lily?
Yeah, I'm Lily. I'm Lily.
Lily Bag? Ay.
Murder, yes. So that's the best.
Oh, you show them your toys. Who are they? That one, who is that?
Moana, she's typing.
This one is Moana. Hi, I'm Moana.
She's half naked.
She has what necklace? Okay.
Where is the
How about
Maui?
this one? Who's this?
It's Elsa.
Elsa?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How about this? What's his name?
Daddy, that's my water.
How about this one? Who is this? Is this Keiki?
No, that's the fairy.
Kitty Fairy.
She stood at the garden sa tabi the house.
She lives in the garden.
You're this Debbie.
How about this one? Who is this?
Debbie.
Happy.
Hey, Debbie.
This one.
Mr. Murta.
Martha.
Bob Science.
Spa Science. How about this one? Who is this?
You're that.
How
I'm
about
the drink water of this.
Okay. How about this one? Is this Cat Rat?
No, that's DJ Catnip.
Oh.
She's a jacket. This one is a
Yes,
jacket.
jacket. Okay.
It's
Paano yung kanta ni DJ Catnip?
Nanonood TV tayo sa Netflix.
Wow, you're drinking water. Show them nga. Pati nga nung baso mo. Wow. Diyan na siya mag-drink ng milk because
It's
you'll go to school na, di ba? Wow.
Ayaw, thank you so much in water.
Okay.
Sunshine.